sabak.
Hello children, I'm your teacher Anara. Welcome to English class. How are you today? Are you fine? Good. Prepare your books, workbooks, pens and pencils. Let's start. Let's remember what you learned last lesson. Look at the pictures, choose one person and describe. Tell to your classmates, others listen and find the person. Good job. Now children, look at the picture. What is silent letter? Shh. Silent when you don't say. You don't pronounce the silent letter. Read the words. How do you pronounce them? Knee, wrist. You spell K-N-E-E, but pronounce knee. You don't pronounce letter K. You don't say knie. You say knee. Wrist. You spell W-R-I-S-T, but pronounce wrist. You don't pronounce the letter W. Now look at the pictures, listen and repeat. Knee, knife, knit, no, wrist, right, wrong, writer. Good job children. Now copy the words into your notebooks. Now let's read more words. Ran, right, wrap, knee, night, knot, knit, knob, knock. Now children, try to read the words yourselves. Good job. Let's continue. Open your books to page 52. Look at the exercise number 4. Listen, read, and say.
Lesson 4. Let's read. 4. Wendy's wrist hurts when she writes the wrong answer. I got on my knees to reach the knife.
Now let's read the text and write the letters KN or WR. Mary is she books for children. In her free time, she and rides a bike. She often falls and hurts her, and she can't walk. She can't, and she can't. She doesn't. What's with her bike? Let's check. Mary is a writer. Writer, W-R-I-T-E-R. She writes. Writes, W-R-I-T-E-S. She writes books for children. In her free time, she knits. Knits, K-N-I-T-S. And rides a bike. She often falls and hurts her knee. Knee, K-N-E-E. And wrist. Wrist, W-R-I-S-T. She can't walk. She can't knit. Knit. K-N-I-T. And she can't write. Write. W-R-I-T. She doesn't know. Know. K-N-O-W. What's wrong with her bike? Wrong. W-R-O-N-G. Good job, children. Now look and remember the rule. When K and together, K is silent. When W are together, W is silent. You don't pronounce. Look at the pictures. What do you see? It's a mouse. It's a cow. How do you spell cow? C-O-W. How do you spell mouse? M-O-U-S-E. How do you pronounce the red letters? What do you see? O-W, the letters. Ow is the sound. O-U, the letters. Ow is the sound. You write different letters but pronounce the same way. We pronounce ow. Repeat. Ow. Ow. Good job. Let's read the words together. Listen and repeat. Mouse. Mouse. House. House. Cloud. Cloud. Round. Round. Ground. Ground. Sound. Sound. Cow. Cow. Clown. Clown. Down. Down. Town. Town. Tower. Tower. Crown. Crown. Now read the sentences and repeat. Try to copy the intonation and pronounce sounds correctly.
The round moon is above the house. The clouds are silver and white. Look there on the ground. It's a little grey mouse. Hush! Don't make a sound.
Now look, what is the rule for OU and OW? When you hear OW at the start of or inside the syllable, use OU. House, loud. But if the word rhymes with down, frown, clown, town, or owl, howl, towel, growl, we usually use OW. Remember the rule and write it to your notebooks. Good job! Now write the correct letters OU or OW and match with the pictures. Okay, let's check now. We spell each word. When you have OW, you show me OW. When you have OU letters, you show me OU. Okay, let's start. Brown. B-R-O-W-N. Cow. C-O-W. Cloud. C-L-O-U-D. House. H-O-U-S-E. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. M-O-U-T-H. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Town. T-O-W-N. Good job, children. Now let's check. What is the picture A? Yes, it's a mouse. What is picture B? It's a mouse. What about C? It's a cow. What is picture D? It's a town. What is E? It is brown. What is F? Yes, it's cloud. What is picture G? It's clown. Right. And the last word, it is a house. Good job, children. Okay, children, let's have fun. Let's read a tongue twister. Clowns around town never frown, even when they're down. Want to be a clown around town, then never sound down and never frown. Good job. Let's try it faster. Let's try it faster. Clowns around town never frown, even when they're down. Want to be a clown around town, then never sound down and never frown. Good job. Now let's play. I show you a picture. You say the word. If the word has OW, you put up your right hand. If the word has OU letter, you put up your left hand. Are you ready? For example, flower. Flower. Is it OW or OU? Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Yes, you put up your right hand. Next word, house. Is it OW or OU? House. H-O-U-S-E. Right. It is left hand. Are you ready? Let's go. Prepare your hands, right hand and left hand. Right hand O-W, left hand O-U. Mouse. Tower. House. Flower. Clown. Loud. Clown. Good job, children. Now look at the pictures and try to make up your own sentences. Let's make up one sentence together. We have a mouse. A mouse has a house. Or it's a mouse in the house. Next picture. This is a tower in the town. Look at this picture. What sentence can you make? This is a cow on the ground. Right. Good job, children. That's all for today. Remember the correct pronunciation of OW and correct writing of WR and KN letters. Remember, they are silent letters. As a homework, try to make up your own tongue twister with the sounds you learned today. Goodbye and see you next time.